racket.
That's right. And Jahangir seems so cool under pressure.
That was tight, looking down the wall.
And that's beautiful touch, right down the line. You can see this from Ditmar. Look at this ball, just hugs that side wall. Not a chance of retrieving that.
And no respite. Jahangir straight back in. Beautiful drive to the back.
6-3.
Just pumping that ball deep again, Jahangir.
6-3.
Ditmar going for that cross court, taking a few chances now.
Yes, let. 6-3.
Jahangir feels that his racket was impeded by Ditmar, looking for a stroke.
I think Ditmar maybe knew that he was in the wrong there, to be honest, and he's lucky to get away with a let there.
There's a limit to generosity, isn't there?
There's not much being given at this stage in the proceedings.
Ditmar he's not happy with this. He tried to prove he could get to the ball, going over the top of the man. Score is 7-3.
Ditmar asking here that he thought Jahangir's moved in to play that forehand volley and blocked his path to the ball, and you know, the ball wasn't a winner. I think he maybe had a case there, Robert.
Well, I hate to bring it up, but I mean, I know in the changing room, people like Rodney Martin. Oh, superb shot from Jahangir. Let's just have a look at this, Mark. That was a great shot. He chopped it down into the neck.
8-3.
Look at this high ball onto the backhand. He made that look easy.
Classic Jahangir. Yes, what we were saying, I know I spoke to Rodney Martin. He feels that Jahangir does tend to hang on the ball a little bit, and the players are not happy with it, certainly the Australians.
That's right. See, and he's starting to get no-letted for not going through at the ball. It's a chance for Ditmar.
Yes, he stayed right up on that ball, Mark. No moving off the ball at all. Just took it early. Crossed the court. Gentle
So
nick.
positive, really positive play from Ditmar there. Across the court again. Fades that post through, that shallow post. Again.
Yes,
Jahangir.
let. 4-8.
Just leaning into the big Australian, letting him know he's on the court. He's a quiet man, but he's got a strong personality on a squash court, Mark.
Oh yeah, he lets you know he's on there, that's for sure. You must admit I've come off court after playing this a couple of times, black and blue.
That was delicate from a big man, wasn't it? That's typical of the sort of shots this man can play.
5-8.
Oh, that's right.
Easing the ball into that right-hand nick.
He just allies that power game with with that touch game so well, you know, and for a big guy, you know, he's amazing.
8-5, Ditmar.
Works his way around. Jahangir again in the way of that ball. And again, gets through.
A lot of movement here.
I think Ditz has realised he's got to go and get the ball.
Attack and counter-attack. Oh, yes.
Shot.
That was tight from such a high ball.
I think Jahangir had a chance here, and
6-8.
he might be regretting this shot here. He plays that forehand loose in the front. Ditmar just had to step forward.
Ditmar, 6-8. 2 points adrift of JK.
Down.
Oh, bad error.
And out. 9-6.
He won't be happy with that.
Ditmar just going for too fine a margin here. He had a chance just to slot this ball in. He's closed the racket face and gone for the low kill, and it's just clipped the top of the tin.
Face says it all.
Reverse angle from Ditmar.
Yes, let.
Again, we've got contact at the front of the court.
He's not happy with that one, Mark. He feels that Jahangir was in his way and he could have played the ball.
Yeah, I think it's a good decision by the referee there. He played the ball back to himself, Jahangir, but I don't think Ditmar was up quickly enough to get onto it. Forehand kill. Ditmar picked it up so easily.
Yes, let.
What an amazing pickup.
9-6.
He just stretched out a leg and picked the ball up out the nick.
Yes, let. Yes, let. 9-6.
See, this is where it gets interesting, Robert. You've got two guys now trying to exploit the refereeing decision in the sense that, you know, Ditmar maybe hang on that ball too long and should have cleared it, and they're hoping for the no-let decision against their opponents.
So 9-6. Score poised, 1 game all. Jahangir, little lead in this game. Hoping to stretch it. A point at this stage is a lot. Oh!
Great
Superb reaction.
anticipation.
Yes. Let's chat through this here, Mark. That was unbelievable reaction and preparation for that shot.
Brilliant anticipation from Ditmar here. He's gone cross-court
7-9.
even before Jahangir's thought about himself.
Yes, let. Yes, let. 7-9.
So Ditmar, 7-9, still 2 points adrift in this third game. Vital part of the match.
Here's a chance for Jahangir.
Oh, that's...
Yes, let.
Oh...
Yes, let. 7-9.
I think Ditmar might have a little sympathy with Jahangir, yeah?
I don't know if Chris said to Jahangir there that he was more than happy to settle for a let at that stage in the proceedings. But again, Jahangir really manufactured that situation so well, and you know, one can't help feel that he was unfortunate not to get the stroke.
Ball almost dying in the back.
No let. You could have played the ball.
Jahangir felt he got a nudge.
Could have played the ball. No let. No let. 8-9.
I think Jahangir feeling here that he caught his foot as he went through on
Could have
Yes.
played the ball.
Chris
8-9.
Ditmar.
Of course, Jahangir...
Play on.
I'm sure that as Jahangir went forward to play that ball, he stopped his shot, and I think there was contact. You know, there was interference, Robert. So you must. Here we look. Can
Well,
we see
let's see for
as
ourselves.
Jahangir moves forward? He's caught Ditmar there on his foot, and he stopped his shot.
I think
Very
in
unlucky, Jahangir
Ball's
there.
out.
In replay, that was
And
a
out.
fault. And then
Any-
Ditmar